You may have seen a maintenance light look like this or like this. Either way, both of them's annoying. So I'm going to show you how to reset this. Simply turn off the vehicle. You're going to have some scroll buttons up and down. If you go all the way through this, you're going to see this wrench light. You're going to hold down on what looks like the books until that starts flashing. Then give it another quick click. And it is cleared. It's ready to go. You can go back to your scroll button there and whatever setting you like to keep it on, whether it's trip or your fuel economy or the eco light, whichever is best for you guys. But figured I'd do a quick video for this since there's not many out there. Thank you.
Yourself with people that challenge how you think, not people that nod their head and act like they agree. Those people that cut you open just to watch you bleed. Always be yourself, not the person that you pretend to be. No.